Okay, this salesperson can either make $35,000 straight salary with no commission. And the other way she can work is she gets $10,000 plus 20% on her total sales. So let's be 0.2 times X, and we'll let X be total sales, because that's how you would calculate the commission. And we're trying to figure out what must be her total amount of sales. So we're trying to figure out when those are equal. So subtract 10,000 from both sides and get 25,000 equals 0.2x, and then 25,000 divided by 0.2 is going to be x, and you want your divisor to be a whole number, so you'd move a decimal over one place to the right and then add 1 0, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can basically stop here, because how many times will 2 go into 25? It'll go in there 12 and a half times, right? So there's only one answer that starts with 125. So the answer would be C. Now, if you want to see that long division, 2 will go into 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 will go into 2 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract. Bring down the 5. 2 will go into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract and bring down a 0. 2 will go into 10. 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And then you're going to have 3 more zeros. So answer C.